what's up, guys? Welcome back again. This is Unesh, and today we are live with team of Cloud Pages. As you can see in the description, I've provided the link, and you can go and check out the deal of Cloud Pages, which is available right now. And yes, it is a lifetime deal. You pay once and use for life. And first of all, I would like to make this clear that this is not a hosting lifetime deal. It's a hosting panel, and not hosting is not included inside. So, with the panel of cloud pages, you can manage your any type of cloud hosting, and hosting is not included inside. We will discuss furthermore with the team. We have Shoaib Khan Khattak from Cloud Pages team and Asma. So, welcome to the stream.
Thank you, Nas, for
Thank you
inviting
so
us
much.
on this stream again.
Yeah, and we have a lot of updates. When we did the previous team, there were many things on the roadmaps which are now already deployed and now live inside Cloud Pages. So we'll talk about that also. But first of all, I would like to uh, introduce Cloud Pages in brief. So any one of you can introduce that what is Cloud Pages and what it does and how it can help agencies and let's say bloggers and multiple website owners, right?
Okay, Nas, as you mentioned in the start, that Cloud Pages is not a hosting provider. A lot of people are confused in this that Cloud Pages is a hosting provider, they provide servers. But we do not provide servers, we provide a SaaS based hosting panel. Using that, you can manage your WordPress. We focused on dedicate like more focus on WordPress site. We also allow to manage your any type of PHP site, any site which have a PHP stack with Cloud Pages. But we have a dedicated WordPress manager. Basically, our panel is to reduce the resources, as we discussed in the last our last webinar, during introduction, that Cloud Pages can run even on 512 RAM, 512 RAM, 512 MB RAM. So we and you also know that Light Pages is now taking over the industry in web hosting. We are the only one who have open light speed and light speed enterprise in production level.
Okay. So I think that's clear that what Cloud Pages is. It is a SaaS-based hosting management panel, as Shoaib said. So let's move ahead with the demo of this Cloud Pages, that how easy to manage for a non-tech person is, right?
Yes, Unas, last time we did a demo for the for the manual deployment of Cloud Pages. After that, we have a lot of requests about the automation of with the different provider like Hetzner, AWS, and DigitalOcean. In this last month, we released a DigitalOcean Direct implementation. Asma from the team will give you a demo of this feature in detail. Asma, please continue.
Asma, you can share your screen and I will push it in the screen. Your screen is not visible. Yeah, it's visible now.
Hey everyone, so I'm going to demonstrate to you how to deploy Cloud Pages on DigitalOcean. It is very easy, especially for those who do not have the know-how about how to manually deploy a server. So when you log in or sign into our website of Cloud Pages, this is the first screen that you will see. The login is very easy. All you have to provide is some basic credentials for it. So whenever you're on this screen, you can either go to a project that you have already created, or you can create a new project. Creating a new project is very easy. all you have to do is enter a project name. So you can just say project one, new project, and create a project, and that is all. Your new project is created. It is very simple. For this demonstration, I'm just going to use an old one because I already have a current plan with it, agency plan with it, and you have to activate this plan. So when you come to this page, this is the dashboard for your project. As you can see, we have all of the service providers that are associated with Cloud Pages, DigitalOcean, AWS, Headsnow, Virtual, Linode, UpCloud. All of these are compatible and accessible through Cloud Pages. But for this demonstration, we're going to go with DigitalOcean. It is fully automated with the, Cloud Pages. So when you click on DigitalOcean, the first thing it calls for is a key, an API key. So either you can, if you already have entered a key, you can select that one from over here. But I'm going to show you how to add a new key. So when you click add new key, you will redirect it to this page. It calls for an API key from DigitalOcean. It is very easy to get that key. All you have to do is click on this on register on DigitalOcean, which will get you on this page on the website of DigitalOcean. From over here, you have to create an account to get the API. It is free of cost. It is very easy. You just have to give basic credentials, and you get this account over here. You make a project, which is also very easy. You can add multiple projects. When you come to this page on the left hand menu, you can go to API tab. Here you have the option of getting personal access tokens and space access keys. For our purpose, we only need a personal access token. So let's generate that. Key one, generate token, and that's all you need. This is going to be your key. So let's copy it from over here. Go back to our cloud page and copy over here. You can enter any name and add API key. It's as simple as that. Your key is saved. Let's go back to our dashboard. Now, when you click on DigitalOcean, you can easily select your key that you just added. Now you have to name your server. You can name it anything you want. Server 1. Select a location for it. Let's go with London. Now you have to select the size, which it is very important to be and be careful when you're selecting the size according to your needs. It will give you a RAM space and then a CPU space and also the pricing of it. It's like 60 GB. You can select Open Lightspeed or Lightspeed Enterprise. Let's go with Open Lightspeed. It's a free version. You have the choice to enable DigitalOcean backups or not. Preferably do select this because it's better for security. Let's create a server. Now this step is going to take 5 to 10 minutes, but when it is done, you will be directed to a page like this. This means your server has been deployed successfully, and now you can create a website or a WordPress website or whatever. We're gonna deploy a WordPress site. Select WordPress Manager and deploy WordPress. Now you have to enter these. Let's add a title, WordPress blog, domain, new cloud pages, and that's it. You just have to enter any website, your email address, and that's it. You can just deploy a WordPress. Oh, sorry. And that's it. Your deployment had started, and after it's done, it's a 2 to 3 minute process. You have a WordPress site. It's as simple as that. So as you can see, the whole process barely took me 5 to 10 minutes. The only delay will come when you're deploying the server or when you're deploying the WordPress site. That's it. That's the only delay you're gonna get. Other than that, it's very basic. It's fully automated. Okay, here we go. The site has been deployed. That's it for today's demo, I think.
So, uh, Shoaib, yeah, Shoaib. So I think it's more easier than before. We did
Yes,
a live
you can see last time when we did the demo for the same purpose, it took I think 15 to 20 minutes, and this time, as you can see, this thing hardly take 5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah, I think this is very easy for anyone to manage their multiple websites, server side of their website,
Yes.
obviously. And we have a couple of comments. We'll cover it and move further, right? So what starts is this. This is Cloud Pages, guys. Link is provided in the description. And yeah, realized I cannot read your name because you need to allow give the permission to use your name to be live, right? Because we are doing live stream via be live. Okay, so the question is, if I get the agency plan, can I reseller?
Yes, we have in agency we have a team member feature, but also because of a lot of requests from the buyers, they ask for a custom plan that have more than one project. In agency plan, we only offered one project. But due to a lot of requests, we introduce a new plan, a new lifetime deal. That if you buy 3 codes from AppSumo, you will get unlimited projects with agency plan, and then you can. I think that is good for resale, and also in agency plan, if you add anyone as a team member, you can also use this as a reseller, and we are also going to add the web level permission soon.
Okay, one thing I want to make clear over here is that what is meant with agency using Cloud Pages, because there is one web development agency who manages multiple websites of their clients. I think if there one project, that one project can be of any size, right? Like
Yes.
bigger, larger. So I think that's more than enough. But if reseller is meant that he is selling this panel, Cloud Pages panel account to his client to manage their client's website. So is this meant over here?
Yes, basically, you can manage unlimited. Basically, what is a project? Project is a container under which you can manage your servers, your billing details, your team members, and all these things. But sometimes, some people need to separate their client. You need project what we when we discuss the project, what we think that if you have different companies, you can get different project. Like you can add your client as a team member and give them the permission according to
Okay.
what you have.
If, when unlimited project is concerned, and you said that you added unlimited projects inside agency plan. So if I have agency plan and I want to sell this panel, right, and give access to that particular project to my client, can I do that?
Yes. Yes, let me clear that agency plan have only one project.
Okay.
Normal agency plan, that is.
Okay. That's a customized plan and not listed on this pricing page, right?
Yes, that is not listed here,
Okay.
and
So
also not on AppSumo.
okay, so what I feel is that we will only discuss what is available right now over here. And I think that if there is no limit on server size, one project is more than enough, right?
Yes,
Now
yes.
my question is, when I have one project and I have multiple websites, you can say, deployed in that particular project, can I
Yes.
invite some particular person to only specific websites, or let's say only specific deployment, you can say, right?
Unas, if you can show our roadmap, I can guide you more about this, because right now we have.
Right? If you are running an agency,
Yes,
mostly you don't need to give access of hosting site to your client, because if you are
yes,
managing WordPress sites, you will just give them WP admin access.
yes,
Mostly backend access is not given to the clients, right? So as far as you can create multiple side projects inside this particular deployment, this particular project, or of your whole cloud deployed, I don't think you need to give access of hosting, right?
yes. You are totally right, and we are, as you said, that on website level permissions, we are going to give this feature as soon as possible. Right now, our focus is on Hetzner automation. You in this demo, you can see that with DigitalOcean, you can deploy your server within minutes. We
Okay.
are going to do same with the Hetzner. Very soon we will release the Hetzner automation. Then our second priority is backup, and then we will work on the website level permission.
Okay, so when one project is created within Cloud Pages, you can
Yes,
deploy multiple servers, right?
yes,
And
you
within
can
that
deploy
servers,
unlimited server.
you can deploy multiple sites. So if you want to
Yes,
differentiate between clients, or let's say if you have one client which has multiple blogs, or let's say multiple websites, you can create a separate server if you want to keep that client separate from other clients, right?
yes, you are
Yes. Yeah.
totally right.
So I think the problem is solved over here, and I don't think there is an issue. You can still comment if you have any question about it, right? So where is the link to give permission? I don't know. It's automatically added in the description with the live stream software. I don't know it's added this time or not. Let me check.
I will
No,
share the link how to give permission to your teammates in this comment section of Facebook.
he is asking about permission in live stream, right? Because we cannot read his. Okay, we have
Yes.
Shaheen over here. Yeah. Hi, Shaheen. How are
Hi,
you?
Shine.
We had a live stream with him other day, right?
Yes, yes, I remember.
Uh, okay. So we have Venkatesh over here. I got it. Okay. So the questions were from Venki, right? He's our live stream champion, and he has his really amazing streams with the founders. And yeah, Venki, you can join if you want to join. I can send you the link, right? So I'm just, if you want to join, uh, I just send you the link. You can join the stream and ask the questions and discuss more about this deal, right? Okay. There is nothing like disturbance. He's saying that sorry for disturbance and thanks for demo. Thank you. Welcome. So what we can do is that we can move further because we covered the demo, and I would like you to introduce that what are the updates. We did live stream last time, and what are the new updates that we were talking just before starting the stream, that there are a lot of updates which were not deployed when the last time we did a live stream.
Okay, and as for that, can you please allow me to share my screen?
Yeah, sure. You can share your screen. Okay, so before we deploy, before we add your screen inside the live panel, Venkatesh is here with us, and let's welcome him. Just a second, his camera is being enabled. Uh, Hi, how are you? Can you hear me? I cannot hear you. Please check your mic. We cannot hear you. I think.
Can you hear
Oh,
me?
yeah. Now we can hear you, right?
Okay.
So how are you?
Yeah, good. Thank you so much for
Actually, when we
joining.
did the live stream, when the deal was first gone live on AppSumo of Cloud Pages, we did a live stream, and it was a very long stream, and every process was manual to deploy server or to deploy WordPress.
Yes.
So I personally felt that I told them in chat many times that it's really difficult for me to deploy because I am not a server expert, right? I am
True.
mostly a front end guy. But now I've seen the demo, which just one of the team member of Cloud Pages, Asma,
I
just
saw that. I saw
demonstrated.
that as well.
So I think that is super fast and super easy. And there were a lot of misconceptions inside the audience that before, when
Yes.
we say the word hosting, in the LTD community, we are totally against the hosting lifetime deal. So we first cleared that this is not a hosting lifetime deal; it's a hosting management panel. So
Yes.
I think your question was answered, right? Do you have anything else to ask?
Yeah. Yeah. In fact, what you said, it was like, you are talking to me, because even I was thinking that I don't need Cloud Pages. Why would I need it? When so many other things are there, but luckily I just came to this demo sometime back, joined, and otherwise I would have completely misunderstood what Cloud Pages is. In fact, one video I wanted to see earlier, but somehow I did not find time today. I was just browsing and I saw you live. I just came and completely, I have not seen the old version to know what has improved, but I was able to really understand how simple it is now to manage our servers, etc. I was actually ignoring this particular deal all this while. Now I feel it's a mistake that I did. I have to now look at what Cloud Pages is, and probably, again burn my wallet. Where this deal is available in AppSumo, is it?
Yeah, it's an AppSumo and it's available on direct website also, right? I've kept the
Okay.
link in the description. And Shoaib, one more thing I want to ask that while watching that demo of deploying WordPress, there was some loading message regarding SSL. So SSL is deployed
Yes,
free
yes.
on the Cloud Pages site.
Yes, that is a good thing to clear that this is just a notification message. If you don't have DNS set before the deployment, then you can see this message. Otherwise, this message is not visible for you, and this message will not affect anything in deployment. This is
Okay.
just a notification to show you that this Acme is issuing the SSL to you.
Okay, so now I am pushing your screen. Venki, anything else you want to ask?
See, I basically wanted to understand, because I do not know if I misunderstood this whole thing. It was Cloud Pages for WordPress, right? Or is it something else?
Uh,
Or are there two different products?
no,
Sorry,
is only one thing, but what they are trying to do is they are trying to focus on WordPress side. You can deploy any type of application in Cloud Pages, but they are
Okay.
focused on WordPress side. You can deploy any type of PHP projects also inside Cloud Pages. As a developer, if you are a developer and you are hosting anywhere else, you can help here also. You have databases also inside, and you can manage everything, right? Am I right, Shoaib?
yes, you can deploy any type of PHP site with Cloud Pages.
Okay.
You can,
Okay.
but
Okay.
we are more focused about the WordPress. We have a dedicated WordPress manager for that. I will share more videos and documentation about that with you later in comment section.
Okay, so
Fair enough.
so
So just correct me if my assumption is wrong. So it is just not for WordPress. It can manage any Linux, or Unix based application, PHP and all those. Is that right?
Yes, you can manage any type of PHP site.
okay.
Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. Thank you so much. I think That was a. I mean, I completely misunderstood this.
Okay, okay. Shoaib, I am pushing your screen, and you can move ahead with the updates. That what are the recent updates that we discussed last team that were on roadmap and were not live inside the cloud pages, right?
Okay,
So
1 minute, Nas, let me open this page and then you can share my screen. Give me 2 minutes.
your screen is visible, I think, and
Okay, up to the last webinar, we are with the project management, server management, WordPress deployment, SSL file manager, team management, multiple PHP, mod security, firewall, bubble wrap, and recap, SFTP. These features are in the initial version that we demonstrate in the webinar last time. Before that, we bring some important feature. We bring the PHP edits, fix permission stack, cron job manager, SSH manager, and DigitalOcean deployment. From all these cron job manager, SSH manager, and DigitalOcean direct deployment, as you can see in this demo, DigitalOcean direct deployment, these are some big features and some important features. PHP edits is also an important feature, and let me clear this thing that digital ocean direct deployment, cron job, and fixed, all these features are available in the lifetime deal. SSH manager is only for the agency plan, and other all are available in all of our plans in a lifetime deal, in the freelancer lifetime deal. Before these updates, we move toward the backup setup and Hetzner integration. These two features are the most demanding features from the user that we have already. Their backup demand is more than any feature. So we added the backup on the top priority and also the Hetzner integration. As we are in this webinar, the development is on the way and is Hetzner integration development is almost done. Few testing and few things remain to fix, and also the backup setup, backup development side is also mostly the part of backup is already done, and this will be there soon. The PHP edits, fixed permission stack, cron job manager, SSH manager, and DigitalOcean direct deployment is from our is the update between these two webinars.
okay, so I think we discussed all the updates which were recently pushed inside the cloud pages, and there is one more question. I think that is from Venkatesh, and it's answered, right? Yeah, we
Yes,
answered.
yes.
Okay. Yeah, let me check if we have any more questions. Okay. So one more thing that came in my mind is that besides agencies, let's leave agencies and freelancers. Yeah, it's really useful for freelancers also because they manage multiple websites. But it's also useful for the people like me who manages multiple websites and blogs, WordPress blogs, as a content marketer or an affiliate marketer, you can say. So it's useful for me also. So what type of people most you see that are using cloud pages right now? Categorically, are they more agencies or more freelancers or more content creators like?
It is useful for all, but mostly we have agency and freelancer, agencies and freelancer. But for the end user, it is also useful. What end user want, like you, what you want? You want that your site, your blog will be speed optimized and it will handle the good traffic rate. And Lightspeed server does the same. Lightspeed server give you a optimized and a huge traffic handling.
Okay. So yeah, that's a good part. And I think more of the people who manages multiple sites, it's useful for them. So we have anything else in questions? Let me check once and we'll wrap this up. So anything else left to share with the audience? Shoaib?
Nothing from our side. If you have anything to ask, you can ask.
Okay. So there is one more question. I saw multiple pages. How about the number of server? Just a second. I'll share the. I'm not able to see that who
I
wrote
think
that.
he is on pricing page. We have to share lifetime deal plan with him.
Yeah. So whoever it is, I think it's Venki. So Venki, I have provided the link below in the description of this live stream, and you can directly go to that link and you will see the lifetime deal plans, right? How about the number of servers? So let me check once that what you are talking about.
In freelancer and agency plan, unlimited servers.
Yeah, you can deploy unlimited servers, right?
Yes, in freelancer and agency plan.
In freelancer and agency plan, and that are on lifetime deal, but it's in that particular personal plan, which is the lowest plan, you have only one server but
One server.
multiple WordPress deployments and multiple web application, right?
Yes.
But in freelancer and agency plan we have unlimited. Let me share my screen and show the plans, right? Okay, so I think my screen is visible right now. Can you see my screen? Yeah.
Yes,
So,
yes, yes, yes.
so see, as you can see over here in personal plan, you can deploy one server, but you can within that particular server, you can deploy unlimited web applications, unlimited WordPress deployments, right? And it with freelancer plan, you get unlimited servers. Now, there are two plans, freelancer and agency. You can go with any and you pay once and use it for lifetime and manage your hosting through Cloud Pages for life, right? Okay. Okay. Wendy. So it is, and let me check one more thing. Yeah. So we covered all the plans and it's visible on the screen. So guys, if you want to check this out, you can just go to the link below in the description, sign up for free account, check it by yourself, see if that can work in your case or let's say in your hosting management, and test this out before you buy and after you buy also. Guys, do we have any refund period for this deal if someone is buying directly from Cloud Pages website?
We have 30 days refund from Cloud Pages direct site, and on AppSumo they have 60
So
days.
we have guys, if you want to check this out before getting this lifetime deal, then you can surely check out. But if you buy and if you feel, check it out thoroughly, use it in your process, and if you feel within 30 days that this is not for you, then you can definitely ask for refund. So that's all, guys.
We also have a trial. You can check with trial, and then you can move to the.
Yeah. That's what I meant with free sign up. There is a trial. You can sign up for free and try Cloud Pages, and then you can move ahead with your purchase. So guys, let's wrap it up. And thank you for joining, guys. Thank you, Wengi. You also came on the stream. That was really honor for us, you can say. And let's wrap it up, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, Shoaib. Thank you, Asma, for your precious time.
Most welcome, and thank you. Thank you for your time.